Hello, my name is Montel Lewis. Today I'm going to be talking about the UVA Judge Online Problem 133, the Dole Queue. We'll be using Microsoft Visual Studio 2015 in C++. Let's get into it. Here above I've already put the code up so that you guys can view it. And for the input to create the program, we're going to need to write a program that will successfully read in that order the three numbers N, K, and M, and then determine the order in which the applicants are sent off for retraining. Each set of the three numbers will be on a separate line, and the end of data will be signaled by 3 zeros. For the output, we're going to need, for each triplet, output a single line of numbers specifying the order in which people are chosen. Each number should be in a field of 3 characters. For pairs of numbers, list the person chosen by counterclockwise officials first. Separate successive pairs by commas. Okay, let me show you my code now. And here is the code. First, we'll be starting using IOStream, include IOStream, and including IO manipulation, and using namespace std. We're going to be using the include IO manipulation so that we'll be able to use the set within function. Okay, now let's get into the problem. We have our int main. We're going to be using the Boolean function so that we can return true and false in the problem. In the input, we were given 20 trainees in a large circle, so I'm just going to change trainees to applicants because I like that title better. Now I set my variables in N, K, M, and J. Below, we'll be using the while statement to see in the values for N, K, and M. And below that, we have a break. If all three of the variables equal 0, the program will exit, which is what it called for. And now underneath that, we're using the for statement so that since one person is chosen and then the rest are numbered clockwise to M, we have the true or false statement. The end statement would be true. And here I set the left and right values. Since each applicant will stand on the left of the chosen one, we'll use N minus 1 and right will be 0. Here I added a counter and digit equals 0. I'll talk more about that later. Let's move a little bit down. We have a while statement because one labor official counts from K counter clockwise. We'll be using J to symbolize this official, and then below that we have another official that is counting clockwise from N, so we will be using J as well. The counter will continue until nobody is left. Okay, this is the calculation phase. Now we'll be getting to the output phase. We're going to be using the setW function in our cout statement. The setW means set field within. We want to set the field length to 3 so that we will have space to insert our commas that the problem calls for in the output. And we want to add 1 to the left. The digit variable here and here are set so that 2 singletons will fit in the cout before a comma is placed. If there's a number with 2 digits, a comma will be placed right after. And this is output. Here we are. Cout in the line. And then the program will end when NK and M are each equal to 0. And that is the end. Thank you for watching. This has been Montel Lewis on the Dole Queue in C++.